welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have a nice, fun, easy nail tutorial for you guys. It's very fall inspired. I already have my nails shaped and ready to go, in which I have a nail shaping video I'll link above, and let's get started. So what you're gonna need is some nail foil. I got this foil from Amazon. It came with 4 different colors, 3 of each color. The price point and quality was really nice. I'll have all the information about the products I use in this video linked down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out for more details. You're also going to need a really nice pair of tweezers and a really nice top coat. The one I'm using is a no cleanse top coat by the brand IDB. It's professional use only, so be careful if you're not a professional, and make sure you use a well ventilated area. You're also going to need an LED/UV light. So now you want to take your tweezers and start to pull apart the foil. You want different sizes, some big, some little. Be careful though when you're doing this step, because the foil is very delicate and thin, and it has a tendency to want to stick to the size of the tweezers and ball up, and then you won't be able to use it. Once you're done with that, you want to take a thin layer of top coat and cover your nail. This is just so the foil will have something to stick to. Make sure when you're doing this you don't touch your skin or your cuticle area. Now you want to place the foil onto the nail. You can place it any way you like, but if you like me who have long nails or longer nails, you want to kind of take the foil to cover up where the nail starts, so that way you don't see it underneath the clear nails. Since these are glass nails and you can see through it, you don't really want to see where your nail starts at. Before you cure your nail under the lamp, make sure you press down all the sides of the foil. You don't want any pieces to be sticking up or hanging over the edge once you cure it, because then you won't be able to go back and fix that. You're going to cure your nail for 30 seconds to a minute, depending on if you're using an LED or UV light. Once you're done, we want to go in with your second layer of top coat. This ensures the nail is encapsulated. It also gets rid of that rough feeling of the foil, so the nail feels very smooth when you touch it. You can create as many layers as you want. Just make sure you cure each layer before you start a new one. Now be careful when you're doing your layers. You don't want to get any of the product on your cuticle or on your skin, because it will burn once you're trying to cure your nail. Just go in with a small brush and a little acetone to clean up the area before you cure your nail, and you'll be fine. That is it. You have your encapsulated gold foil nails. I will show you guys another nail, but I will not be talking in that portion of the video, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.